what's the boost on now?
22.
22
Yeah, I just turned it up with this thing right here.
Oh, it's right there, huh? Ain't even got to go in your engine bay. I like that. What's the RPM red line on here?
You know, honestly, I'm not sure. I run it up to
8,000, yeah.
It's built, so I try not to take it over that.
Right.
Really, I don't want to take it past 7, even though I know it'll handle it. I just worry. I don't want any problems in the build or anything.
Yeah. Hang on. Turning up the boost.
Level 2, yeah.
Level 2 boost.
Should be a...
What was that? About what, 100? 110?
Yeah.
Man. Got the little meter there?
Ah. See, it records my faults right there. It hit boost cut, it said map sticking.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dang, I like that.
That's pretty fancy, dude.
I've never seen that before.
I try to be as obedient as I can, you know.
Right, right.
Cops have enough problems, you know what I mean?
Yeah, they do.
I don't want to have to be one of them, you know.
Right. That's good thinking right there.